Hello, my name's Dominic with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. I want to talk about three quick topics that are a big concern for a lot of people today that are thinking about buying or selling real estate. One is foreclosures. Is there going to be a rash of foreclosures coming in because the prices are so high? They're going up so quickly. The interest rates are on the rise. So I'd like to break that into three segments. The first segment would be foreclosures. So forbearance, when COVID came along, they offered a safety net to people that were concerned about losing their jobs. They call forbearance. So that means that if you're behind a little bit on your house payment, you could put it on the back side of it and then hopefully get back on your feet, recover, and be A-okay. So what they were thinking is there were so many people that took advantage of the forbearance that they were afraid that we were going to have a reproduction of 2008 crash. Well, luckily, we're under 1 million that have not made a workout with the bank. So that means that there's a chance that some people may come to foreclosure, unfortunately. But the good news is if you do have to go that route, a lot of people have equity now in their homes. So if you have some equity and you're going through a spot, you sell your home, you pay off your debt, you put some money in your pocket, you rent until you get back on your feet. So that was one concern that I hear a lot about. The other one is the interest rate. So now the interest rates, you know, it's funny, if you just look at the last couple of years, it was as low as 2.65 on a 30-year fixed. Well, now it's at 3.65. Now, when you look at the last several decades, from 1970 on, the rates were at 18%, and then they came down to 12%, and then 10%. And we're all the way now back to 3.5 to 3.6. But when you look at the big picture of things, unfortunately, inflation is affecting what's happening right now. So a hedge against inflation is locking into that fixed rate on a mortgage as soon as you can, or if you're refinancing, as soon as you can. Now, not as many people are refinancing now because the rates are on the rise. Now, the question is the 10-year Treasury is a simple guide to pay attention to the 10-year Treasury because the rates tend to follow that theme. So keep an eye on that if you want to watch what the rates are doing. They really don't know where they're going to go, but I know one thing is they're going to go up. And so you want to take advantage of that. So if you need to know more about the market so it fits into your thinking, I think being an educated person with what the current market conditions are will make you an informed decision maker. My goal is to provide the current data in your backyard so you make an informed decision. So if you have any further questions, there's so many more topics to talk about. I appreciate you giving me a call at 330-418-1535. Or if you just want to send me an email, that's okay. Dominic@dominicfonte.com, or if you want to go to my website at dominicfonte.com, you can see my more than 340 five-star reviews to see what you'll experience working with me and my team. You can't underestimate the power of not making a mistake. So you want to work with an informed agent that's up to date on the current market conditions so that you make the best decision for you and your family. Hope this video finds you well.